In this video, we're going to dive into the RPM command, which stands for Red Hat Package Manager. RPM is a powerful tool for managing software packages on Red Hat-based systems. It's a command-line-driven package management system that allows you to install, update, and remove software. RPM is used on various distributions, including Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS, Fedora, opensuse, and other RPM-based distributions. So, if you're working with any of these systems, understanding RPM is essential. Let's take a look at the basic structure of an RPM command. The syntax is consistent with operations and options. You start with the command RPM, followed by any options you want to use, and then the package name. Some common operations include -i, which is used to install a package, -u to upgrade a package, -e to erase or remove a package, -q to query package information, and -v to verify package integrity. These operations are the building blocks for managing packages with RPM. Now let's explore how to install packages using RPM. To perform a basic installation, use the -i option followed by the package name, including the .rpm extension. For example, to install a package named package name, you would type rpm -i package name.rpm. It is important to note that this command will install a new package, but will fail if the same package is already installed on your system. Here are some common installation options. rpm -ivh package name rpm is used for verbose output with a hash progress bar. rpm -uvh package named rpm is used to upgrade if the package is already installed, otherwise it will install the package. You can also use rpm _no dep -i package name.rpm to ignore any dependencies. Please use this option with caution as it might break the package installation. Querying packages is a crucial aspect of package management. To check if a package is installed, use the command rpm -q package name. For example, rpm -q httpd will check if the httpd package is installed. To list all installed packages, use rpm -qa. For detailed information about a specific package, type rpm -qi package name. For example, rpm -qi httpd. You can also query information related to files. rpm -ql package name, such as httpd, will list all the files within that package. To find out which package owns a specific file, type rpm -qf /user/s bin/file name. For example, rpm -qf /user/s bin/httpd. This is useful for determining which package installed a particular file on your system. Sometimes you need to remove or erase a package from your system. The basic command for this is rpm -e package name. For instance, to remove the httpd package, you would enter rpm -e httpd. Please note that this command will fail if other packages depend on the one you are trying to remove. Here are a couple of advanced removal options. rpm -e no dep package name forces the removal and ignores any dependencies. Warning: this can break your system, so use it with caution. To test the removal without actually removing the package, you can use rpm -e test package name. Verifying packages ensures their integrity. To verify a package, use the command rpm -v package name. For example, rpm -v httpd verifies the httpd package. To verify all installed packages, use rpm -va. If the verification finds no discrepancies, there will be no output. However, if there are issues, RPM will output specific codes. Here are some common verification output codes. S indicates that the file size differs. M means the mode or permissions differ. 5 means the MD5 sum differs. D indicates a device number mismatch. L means a symbolic link path mismatch, and U means the user ownership differs. These codes help you quickly identify what kind of issues exist with the package files. Before installing a package, you might want to examine the RPM file to get more information about it. To show the package information, use the command rpm -qip packagefile.rpm. To list the files contained within the package, use the command rpm -qlp packagefile.rpm. To find documentation files, use the command rpm -qd package name, such as httpd. This will list all the documentation files associated with the package. To list all the configuration files, use the command rpm -qc package name. RPM also offers some advanced options for dependency management and signature verification. To test an installation without actually installing the package, you can use the command rpm -test -i package.rpm. To show the dependencies of a package, use the command rpm -q or package name. To ensure the security of your packages, it's important to verify their signatures. First, import the key using rpm -import /etc/pki/rpm -gpg /rpm -gpg-key -red hat-release. Then, check the package signature by using the command rpm -k package.rpm. Always verify signatures before installing packages from untrusted sources. This helps to prevent the installation of malicious software. To wrap things up, let's go over some best practices when using RPM. Always verify the signatures before installing any packages. Use -uvh instead of -ivh for most installations. Test installations with double-test before the actual install. Avoid using double-no deps and double-force options unless absolutely necessary. Regularly verify package integrity with -v, and consider using DNF or YUM for dependency resolution. Use RPM for low-level package operations and detailed queries. Use DNF or YUM for most installations to handle dependencies automatically. RPM is ideal for system recovery and offline package management. In conclusion, RPM provides powerful low-level control for package management on Red Hat-based systems. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.